new watch, new bells.
So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back with another reaction. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Salute. So listen, I gotta tell y'all, man. I've always been curious about speed dating. So I was sitting there today when I figured out this was the video we was gonna be checking out tonight. And I was like, the video is funny Tinder post part 2. We did part 1, we on the part 2. Part 1 was crazy. And I was sitting there, I was like, I wonder if anybody in the TMG fam has ever been speed dating before. I know that is a crazy, crazy experience, man. I've never done it. I think I first learned about speed dating through a movie or something. I think I saw it on a movie. Maybe it was Hitch. What did they do speed dating on Hitch? Or maybe it was another movie I'm thinking of. But I was like, people actually do that? And then I started, you know how it is. You see one thing in a movie and now all of a sudden it's like you keep seeing it over and over and again. And that's how it was. And then it was just everywhere. So I was like, I wonder if anybody in the fam has ever done. If you've ever done speed dating, man, come to the front of the congregation. I'm gonna pin your comment if I see it. And I want to know, like, what was your experience speed dating? How was it? Was it a success? Did you go on to have a relationship with that person? Did that actually work? Because I just find it intriguing by somebody like rapidly answering questions, going back and forth, and then that actually turning into something. I just think that's dope if it did. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I guess I would need to learn more about it, but I'm very intrigued by it. So if you've ever speed dated, let me know in the comment section. All right. So let's get to the video, man. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and make sure that you run the lights up, baby. Let's get to the video.
Congratulations, you've matched with Simon. To start the conversation, select one of the following. 1. Bad pickup line. 2. Random fact. 3. 2 lies, 1 truth. I'll go with 1. Bad pickup line. Are you a tower? Because I fell for you. Are you free Friday? I got class.
I hate y'all in these lines. These lines are horrible, man. Horrible. And I think it's getting even worse now because I think people feel like, oh man, the more corny I am, should be like, oh, but you're just so cute. No, bro, that's not gonna work for you no more. Those days of that stuff are over with.
Sorry. Alright, when are you free? Honestly, I'm just on here for jokes. Sorry, not trying to meet up with anyone. Fair enough. Why did the chicken cross the road? Well, I don't know. Tell me. Sorry, I'm just on Tinder for the setup lines. Match with cute girl on Tinder and talk with her all night. Go to message her the next morning. She unmatches me. Wait, what? She unmatches me? Happy Mother's Day. I'm here to make you.
See, I'm thinking that happens more often than not. People are just getting on here because they feel bored. Like when boredom strikes, they get on there, entertain you for a minute, play with your feelings, and the next day they super ghost you.
Matches me. Wait, what? She unmatches me? Happy Mother's Day. I'm here to make you one. Weird. Your dog looks really up, bruh. What? Up, bruh. It kinda looks up, bruh, in the pic. What's up, bruh? Nothing much. How about you? Hi. Hey, sorry I didn't reply after I read. I just found out my sister's pregnant. No worries. And congrats. Yeah, I'm gonna be a dad. Sweet home Alabama. Emma plays ominously in the distance. Hey, what's up? Up is a very popular Disney Pixar film that tells a silly yet sad story about an old man's attachment to his house. It's a great film. You should definitely watch it. What's your favorite kind of soup? Chicken and vegetable? A fine choice. Why, thank you. What an odd first question, though. You can tell a lot about somebody by their favorite soup. What can you tell about me? Well, you like chicken and vegetable soup. CJ, 25.
Oh, no.
December 28th, 2016. Hey, how are your holidays going? December 27th, 2017. Happy anniversary. Today, 10:02 a.m. I feel like we're drifting apart. Want to know the chances of us?
Yo, y'all laughing at that, but that person right there needs to be put on somebody's list to watch, bro. I don't care if it's the pedophile. I don't care if it's the whatever list he can go on. When you do something like this, bro, contacted you on December 28, 2016. And how are you? How are your holidays going? No response. Then on a year later, almost, happy anniversary. Then, like, I don't know what the year that today is. I feel like we're drifting apart. Yeah. That person needs to be put on a list.
AM. I feel like we're drifting apart. Want to know the chances of us hooking up? 0%. Ever check the weather and it says 0% chance of rain, but it still rains anyway? My point is, Teresa, I'm no meteorologist, but I think there's a chance of rain. Claude, 20 years old. I'm kind of like the Chinese stock market, in that I am also a source of constant disappointment to my father.
Why are you crying?
Casey, I don't know who you are, I don't know what you want, but what I do have is a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long sexual career. Skills that make me a dream for people like you. If you swipe left now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you, I will not pursue you, but if you swipe right, I will match with you, I will flirt with you, and I will you. How would you describe yourself in 5 words? Trying to get laid. I live in Alabama. Sometimes I go to New York City to work. Yeehaw! Oh boy, you a cowboy? That's right, I did buy some Wrangler jeans a couple of days ago. Wow, you have a horse too? Or, nah, but I got something else you can ride. Campsite 22. Halt! Hello there, weary swiper.
And see, I can imagine people on that app just really being brave and just crossing those lines instantly because they sitting behind a screen, they're on a phone, you really can't. People gonna do stuff that they wouldn't do normally face to face.
You have stumbled upon a campsite. Here you can rest your weary thumbs and partake in the peace and quiet that a campsite offers. Feel free to take a breath and relax your mind from all the thoughts bouncing around in your head. Before you go, remember that you are an amazing person and anyone would be lucky to have you. Farewell, stranger. My anthem, Old Town Road remix. Please roast me. Girl, you look roasted enough. Amazing. Roast me back. What did the 2 say to the 9? Please roast me. Well, that was a stupid joke. I have a good knock-knock joke, but you have to start it. Knock-knock. Who's there? A really bad knock-knock joke. A really bad knock-knock joke who? A really bad knock-knock joke that I find incredibly funny. I also have a knock-knock joke that you have to start. Alright, knock-knock. Come in. Come in who? Come in me. Aren't we all sale assistants, in the grand scheme of life, trying to sell ourselves as good people to everyone we meet? Wow, that's deeper than I expected. There's twice in your life you'll say that with me. Smooth. Sweet, you're 18, right? 17. Wait.
Y'all dudes is bold. Oh man, y'all are bold, bro. I can't with y'all, fam. Oh my gosh, it's funny because half of these people would never do that in a face-to-face meet each other for the first time. They'd be way too cowardly to do that. They only doing that because they on a phone. I keep stating that.
Smooth. Sweet, you're 18, right? 17. Wait, when's your birthday? October 25th. Happy birthday! Are you a toaster? Because I want to take a bath with you. Are you the last guy that I matched with on Tinder? Because I've seen this line before. Are you code I've written? Because my lines aren't working. Okay, that was clever. It's the year 2030. The divorce papers came through, and looks like I'm keeping the dog. It's the year 2035, a few years after the divorce. You come crawling back to me telling me you miss me. I welcome you back as I missed you too. We reminisce about the good times we shared. You stay the night. I kill you in your sleep, and I take back my...
Put him on the list. Put him on the list. Put him on quick. He gotta go on the list too, bro.
We shared. You stay the night. I kill you in your sleep, and I take back my dog. Me! Only swipes attractive people. Attractive people! Only swipes attractive people. Me!
This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
Are you a dumpster? Because I'm willing to rummage around inside you for anything worth recycling. Our planet is dying, so I'm doing my part to make sure no piece of trash goes to waste. This is my first 5 minutes on this app in like 10 years. Thank you, sir. Please come inside me. If you are a soup, What kind of soup would you be? I don't know. What kind? This isn't a joke or a pickup line. It's a chance for you to take part in a self-reflection exercise where you take a look at your qualities and make a decision on which soup best represents those qualities. Take this seriously, and we may both learn some things about you. Corn chowder. Great choice! I want you to roast me like Michael Scott's foot on a George Foreman grill. To help you out, I live at home with my parents at the age of 21. I spent my youth being cyberbullied on Club Penguin, and I shamelessly clear my search history at least 3 times a day. I want to disappoint you as much as I've disappointed my mom. Yo, Faded, that's an Office reference, bro. How did you not get that? Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I haven't watched an episode of The Office. Please forgive me. Santa Claus never got me the box set for Christmas. There's nothing I could do, lads. How?
That makes 2 of us. I haven't watched but a few episodes of The Office, bro. I'm sorry, I'll be busy, man. Don't roast me either. I know.
How much does an elephant weigh? Do you mean weigh? Lol, yes, that's correct. That depends on the type of elephant. Can range from 2,700 kilograms to 6,000 kilograms for full-grown elephants, depending on the type. Well, it's enough to break the ice. Hey, my name's Jason, and I like to party. Why is the elephant on the ice? Tell me something interesting. A group of baboons is called a congress. I meant about yourself. 4th image, the black and white being with 4 legs. Does he belong to you? I meant 5th image. Great question. Glad you didn't just ask me if it was my dog. That would have made no sense at all. But it's my parents' dog. They live in... I speak in riddles to maintain a false pretense that I'm somewhat interesting. It's not working. Okay, that was actually an incredible roast. I put my heart and soul into it. I'm proud of you. It really shows. Also, I'm afraid of roller coasters, so feel free to roast me on that as well. Again, Brandon, I really don't care. Why, hello there, young, strong American man. Hello, young Jewish girl. How goes it? I've always wanted a man who could tell I was a Jewish girl right away. It's in my blood, if you know what I mean. To notice Jews? Okay, hell no. Roses are red, I put jam on my crackers. If you nut in space, it pushes you backwards. And then some guy sees her bio and...
Okay, y'all. I am so sorry that some of y'all are subjected to this kind of... I don't even know what to classify as, bro. This is what the date is. Like, every time I watch one of these videos, bro, I'm in awe of, like... This is what the dating scene is right now for y'all. Like, I'm sending prayers your way. I'm sending prayers your way, though. Honestly. Oh my gosh.
and sends her this message. Violets are blue, I prefer jelly. Instead of in space, I'll nut in your belly. Kayla, 23. Don't hit me with, hey gorgeous, because I'll find you boring and won't reply. So this guy ends up taking her advice and messages her saying, hey, ugly. I got a snap, but it's my premium one. What the fuck? It's a Snapchat premium where I post my nudes and I know what a premium snap is. 2019, imagine paying for nudes. That's a no. How about a date first before you try and slide into my wallet? Ask me if I'm an aeroplane. I
ain't saying she a gold digger, but...
How about a date first before you try and slide into my wallet? Ask me if I'm an aeroplane. Are you an aeroplane? No, but I will go down on you like a Boeing 737. Tinder pic. Real life. I was on Tinder and accidentally swiped left on a guy I had a huge crush on, and I obviously wanted to match him. So I literally bought Tinder Premium for $9.99 just to go back and swipe right on him. We didn't match. Match with a girl. We plan to go out on a date. She stops replying.
So y'all break that down for me. How does that work? Like, the app tries to match y'all based on your qualities that you put out or what you're looking for, or are your profiles compatible? Y'all break it down for me. How does it, keep seeing people saying we weren't a match or we were a match. Match with a girl. We plan to go out on a date. She stops replying. Wait, she stops replying? What? Oh my god, no, please, no. The dudes who are using that Snapchat filter to make themselves look like cute girls have officially infected the Tinder app. Nobody is safe. Be very cautious.
Help me. What's the best way to beat my friend at rock, paper, scissors right now? Cut his arms off. All right, help me. The cops are coming. What's the best way to escape? Cut their arms off. Dude, I love the blue gummy worms. Yeah, they're a good one, but sorry, dude. I'm not gay, by the way. Oh, lol. Just looking for friends then? No. I don't have a passcode on my phone, and my friends changed my Tinder settings after I fell asleep last night. Nice. Hey, what's up? Dylan, I'm just chilling. How about you? Same here, nothing much. Do you like rice?
Oh, was the blue gummy worm cold for something? Oh, I know I'm late on that. Oh, oh man, I hope that wasn't cold.
Hey, what's up? Dylan, I'm just chilling. How about you? Same here, nothing much. Do you like rice? Yes. I've got a ton in my dorm if you get hungry. There's nothing more attractive to a woman than a man who has a sizable collection of rice. Trust me. Austin, 33. To the women over 30, I'm a successful business owner and want to start a family. To ladies under 30, I'm hung and breed lab puppies. If you're wondering why I look so familiar, it's probably because you saw me starring in Ed Sheeran's Galway Girl music video. See pictures 7 and 8 for proof. Look at this, guys. Groundbreaking evidence and photography right here to prove that she in fact did star in Ed Sheeran's music video. I mean, just look at this quality right here. You can see her from a mile away. She's really looking like 5...
He had the audacity to put that picture up. Yo, he had the audacity to put that picture up. Oh, I can't with y'all, man. I feel sorry for y'all. He said, yo, check my pic. How are we supposed to know? How are we supposed to know that she... Yo, that's disrespectful on so many different levels, fam. I'm done. Let's finish this video. Y'all are crazy, man. Straight up crazy. Oh my God.
Music video. I mean, just look at this quality right here. You can see her from a mile away. She's really looking like 5 pixels out of Minecraft Hunger Games. What a fantastic claim to fame. She was definitely one of the main actors in that music video. No doubt. I'm the kind of guy you can take home to meet your mom. She'll think I'm super funny and charming and cute, but actually kind of sexy at the same time. She falls in love with me. I think I feel the same way. We get married. I'm your dad now. I confront you. Young lady, why are you on Tinder? You are now grounded. There's 21 letters in the alphabet, right? This is part of the cheesy pickup line. I honestly don't know how many letters are in the alphabet. What? Anyways, guys, that's it for this episode of Funny Tinder Posts. I really hope...
Yo, y'all are crazy, man. And if y'all are having to deal with a lot of this, I feel for you right now. I really, truly, and honestly, feel for you right now. Yo, it's crazy out here. And you hear it all the time. People saying, the dating pool is just so slim. It's not too many people. And in your mind, you think, man, there's so many people in this world, man. It can't possibly be that hard. But seeing these videos, man, I'm humbled. Yo, I apologize. I apologize for not believing y'all, bro. I see it. I see it. It's rough out here. Woo. Listen, man, y'all get at me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all thought of this video, bro. This is crazy, man. Till the next reaction of my piece, y'all stay solid. Hey.